This video will show you how to add note cards to a NoodleTools project. From the My Projects area, please click into the title of the project that you would like to add note cards to. You will need to have at least one source before you may add note cards. Notice that for this source we have 0 note cards. To create a new note card, click New. When the new note card pops up, you may give your note card a title if you wish, and add any tags that your teacher may be requiring. There are 3 areas of the note card: direct quotation, paraphrase or summary, and my ideas. Direct quotation says copy, paste, and annotate here. So you will go to the article that you are reading, and you will copy and paste sentences from this article into the copy-paste area. This is known as a direct quotation. Notice that I only copied a few sentences. I'm trying to focus on one idea. So when you copy and paste, make sure that you copy and paste shorter passages versus longer passages. Now, on some occasions, your teacher may let you use a direct quotation, but often the teacher will want you to paraphrase or summarize the thought from the direct quotation. In other words, you're putting it into your own words. You may need to read through this passage several times before you feel that you can put this into your own words without sounding exactly like the original source. After reading through that direct quotation and thinking about what this says to me, I have now put the ideas from the quotation into my own words. The final part of the note card is the My Ideas. This is where I can document anything that I'm thinking about this quotation, questions that I may have, or items that I wish to follow up on. For this note card, I'm wondering, what were the taxes that were placed on colonists? This will be a reminder to me to follow up on this question. When I'm finished with the 3 parts of this note card, I click Save and Close. I want to go ahead and read through this article and pull as many note cards as I possibly can. So I have found another part that I feel is a good direct quotation. Again, I will hit New. Now a new note card pops up. I may give it a title or any tags as directed by my teacher. I copy the new quotation here. After spending some time reading through this quotation, I am able to put it into my own words, to paraphrase it. Under My Ideas, I have a question again. How would this impact the colonists? When I'm finished, I hit Save and Close. We can now see that there are 2 note cards for this source. If I'd like to view the note cards, I can click the orange dots, and both note cards will appear below this source. Notice that for each one I can see the direct quotation, the paraphrase, and my ideas. If I don't wish to see these, I can click the orange dots again to hide them. I will continue to add note cards, reading through this entire article until I feel I have taken as many notes as I possibly can from that. After reading through this article thoroughly, I now have 7 note cards, and I'm ready to move on to another source. So I've added the book source, the Boston Tea Party. The reason that this book source showed up here instead of after this source is that NoodleTools is alphabetizing my entries by the first word in each source. So as I make note cards for this source, it's very important that I hit New next to that source. If I hit New down here, then I'm making note cards for the wrong source. So now I will read through this book and make as many note cards as I possibly can.